Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, the first thing you should be to connect your Android and your iPhone at the same Wi-Fi. As you can see here, I'm connect my Android at the same Wi-Fi that I connected in my iPhone. This is the first step. The second step, come back to your Android and go to Play Store. Tap got it and go to search bar and search for send anywhere as you can see. Then tap install and the same application installed in your iPhone. Go back to your iPhone and go to App Store and go to search and search for send anywhere. Then tap this icon to download this application in your iPhone. After installing send anywhere, open it and tap allow full access. Tap allow, and tap OK. Great, so come back to your Android and open the application and enable this checkbox and tap confirm. Then tap continue, tap allow, and tap allow. Perfect. Then tap OK. Close this. And now guys, we will send the data from Android to iPhone. So here tap send and here select your file that you want to send to iPhone. Well, if you want to send photos, tap photos and select the photos that you want to send. For example, I'll select this one and select, for example, this one and this and this. And also you can select videos, tap videos and select any video that you want to send. For example, this and this. And you can also send audio, contacts, files. You can send anything you want. Okay, so that's it guys. Now come back to your iPhone, unlock it, go to send anywhere and tap receive. Perfect. Then tap send and tap got it. Perfect. And then write this code into this place. Okay, so tap here and write the code 767361 and tap receive. And tap allow, and as you can see here, the data is transferring to our iPhone. The data has been transferred from Android to iPhone. So this is the data and it will be saved automatically in your iPhone. Okay, so just go to photos and you will find the files. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.